Hello guys, today we are going to see how hard is the entire FNAF 2 is. Well, to start, FNAF 2 is one of the hardest FNAF games. You like? It's because of the aggressiveness and the amount of animatronics. It's not the hardest, but it's extremely hard. Golden Freddy, Fazbear Fever and Cupcake Challenge are one of the hardest nights in this game. Wait, it's because in this night, all animatronics are activated, making it harder to complete the night. I'll say that night 6 is also extremely hard to complete. I showcased all the nights in custom night in this game. Well, if you're playing this game, FNAF 2, make sure you have a plan. Well, that's it. Goodbye.